Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, what? Say what? Yeah, 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 yeah.
A few moments later.
Yes, we are back with another makeup tutorial. But as you can see, my face is already made up. I did my eyebrows, I did my foundation. I mean, yes, it's giving. It's giving. It's just giving. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm wearing the blouse that I made. Yes, I made this. Can you believe it? Yes, I did. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my green updated makeup look. I kind of did my foundation already, so we're going to focus on the eyeshadows today because I want to show you how you can make your eyeshadow pop, you know? So the first, for all my dark-skinned women out there, if you're struggling to make your eyeshadow pop, because let me tell you something, when I used to buy eyeshadow, I would apply it, but some of the colors, like even a brown color, would not even pop the way I wanted to. But then I found something, you guys. I found something, and that is this LA Girl Pro Concealer, you guys. What you need is this. You need this. You need this. And for my dark-skinned women out there, you need a lighter concealer. As you can see, mine is super light, not my complexion at all. And that's what helps to make your eyeshadow pop more. So I'm gonna actually take this and I'm gonna push it out because you need to press it. Oh, that almost came out a lot. So I'm just gonna apply some on my hand, and then I'm gonna apply on my eyelids. And you want to make sure you apply enough, and then we're gonna blend it because you don't want it to be too thick. You know what I'm saying? You don't want it to be too thick. So I'm applying this on, and don't apply too much. Yeah, just don't apply too much. I don't have a reason for that, but if you do, let me know in the comments how that goes, because I don't know. I just like to apply so I feel like, oh, this is enough, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna blend this. Next, I'm taking my brush. As you can see, it already has some concealer because I've been using this a lot. Yes, I need to wash this, but anyways, I'm gonna blend this. I'm gonna blend that, and you want to blend it in such a way that it still shows. You don't want to blend too much and then the color is gone. Like, then what? It's all gone. So blend that out, and then now I'm blending my other eye. Blend. So you want to blend it till it looks like this. As you can see, it's giving. It's giving. Yes, it's just giving. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. Blend it out. And even if you like, blend it up all the way to your eyebrows if you want your eyeshadow to go all the way there. But I just don't do that. I just don't do it that way. Yeah. Next, forgive me. This is a very old eyeshadow palette that I've had for a long time. I'm like, you know what? I need to make use of it. Okay. So it does not, it's old, so I don't know the name of this thing because it's just reaching the perfect shadow. The stuff started to fade away. I'm sorry, it's been a long time. But if you have any eyeshadow palette, make sure you make use of it. So what I am using is this green color. In my previous in the green color, and I'm going to use this green color at the same time. I'm going to use this very shiny gold color over there. Just gonna mix it together and see how this looks. In my previous video that I did my green makeup tutorial, a green inspired makeup tutorial, I did use the same eyeshadow palette, but I'm trying to do it differently in a similar kind of, you'll see. Now you guys, I don't know why. I know people use a lot of makeup brushes, but I absolutely love these small little things that are like little things to do eyeshadow. I find that it makes my eyeshadow life so much easier and it just works. So as you can see, I had just kind of dabbed a little bit. I'm gonna dab in the gold color, and this gold color is going to be right at the beginning of my crease. I'm gonna put it right at the beginning of my crease. Yes, right here. Ooh, it's giving gold. It's giving. Oh, it's giving. That's what my generation says a lot, and I'm just imitating. Yeah, I'm such a weirdo. So I'm really, really loving this gold. Ooh, yes. So I'm just gonna apply on the beginning of my crease. And make sure you blend it well so that it covers the concealer. I'm absolutely loving this gold. Next, I'm going in with that green just to give my eye kind of a pop. Let's see how that goes. I'm kind of curious. I've never mixed these colors together, so let's see how it goes. Ooh, I hope you look nice. Ooh, I hope you do me nice. I hope you do. Ooh, I'm scared of this green. I hope it comes out. Okay, let's see how that comes out. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's just keep doing it and see what happens. It's not bad. Maybe I want to go with the darker green, but we can work with this. We can work with this. Because it's not going to be a lot. Because it's not going to be a lot bad. It's not bad at all. Ooh, it's not bad. It is not bad at all. So let's keep putting it and see what happens. Ooh, if I only had lashes, this would look totally cool with some lashes. This would look so awesome with some lashes. Look at that. But we're gonna want to blend that out. We really need to blend that out so that it just looks neater. Okay, so I got this brush and I'm gonna use the gold to blend into the green. I want the green to blend into the gold. So I'm gonna go with this nice gold, just dabbing it there, and I'm gonna just blend it in there. Just blend, 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 blend. Because I want it to look nice and okay. Now I see now. It is nice. I like it. It's nice. But like, this is how you make your eyeshadow pop. Like, you know, if you really want it to pop, use some concealer. That's all you need. Use some concealer. Now, y'all, don't do what I just did. Start with your foundation and then do into eyeshadow. Always start with your eyeshadow and then go into your foundation and stuff. So I did put my foundation and stuff, but now I'm just gonna go concealer. So what I am doing, I'm using the same concealer that I had left some on my hand, and I just kind of want to shape everything out. So I'm just gonna draw a line like so, and then I'm gonna draw another line here like that, and I'm gonna do it's just a simple nose contour, like a simple one like that, right over here and right over here. So now I'm just gonna blend everything out. So you just wanna blend it, blend, 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 blend. Now if you got some lashes on you, girl, put them lashes on. Put them lashes on. But I am not doing lashes. I just love my own lashes. I just love a natural look. So I am going in with mascara and it's gonna make my eyelashes pop. I love makeup, but I just love just playing around with it, and I like it to look natural than for it to look yeah, just, you know, I love a whole soft glam makeup or just a whole full makeup look. I don't know, there's something that I feel when I'm doing my makeup that I want mine to look just a little bit natural. I still want to look like, you know, me, you know? And that's how I do my makeup look. If you want to put some eyeliner, go ahead, girl. Go ahead, put some eyeliner. Put some eyeliner. I'm loving the brown look. And then I'm going in with some lip gloss. Getting ready for the camera, y'all. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready to see what it looks like? Bam! I love this makeup look, you guys. It's giving. It's giving me. It's giving flame. It's giving glam. It's just giving. That's all. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up for me. And if you try to do this makeup look, please send me pictures and I will definitely tag you on my Instagram. Make sure to let me know how it looks. Send me pics, y'all. Send me pics and let me know what you think about this look. I think I love it. I really love it. It's very unique, very simple, very chic. But if you want to just see what colors go for you, yeah, you go ahead and practice what makeup look you want to do. But this is me. Hey, hey, whoa. Whoa! See y'all in the upcoming videos. Bye.